Hi everyone, this is Abdul, and today I'm going to make a video about patining bronze watches. So this is my first time actually making a patina, so I'm not going to be giving like tips or anything now, at least. So I'm going to be making the process with you guys for the first time. I just bought this Ergon Maelstrom and I really like it. It's really cool watch. I wear it for 2 days now. I usually change watch every day. So today I just decided to why not try to make a patina. And as you can see, I have a blue dial, so I thought about making a blue patina. So what you need is you need some of this. You need some vinegar, salt, preferably sea salt like this one. So what everybody is doing, and from what I read, I have to put some salt. So let me open my knife. Put as much salt as you think you want to watch the patina. Okay, I'll just pause now for mixing the salt. So after mixing the salt with the vinegar, put some kind of stand. And just because there is still a lot of salt, I try to put as much salt as possible. Then you put the watch, check the time. So I'll even use the bezel to mark the time. I put the watch from the minutes, and as you can see, so I just close, and we will wait. So I thought just after 40 minutes to check on it, check on the color of the watch. And as you can see, it's discolored, a small patina on it. So I'll put it back again and check with you later. So now, after almost 1 hour and a half of putting the watch on both sides, just take it out so it doesn't fall. And as you can see, the patina on it. Here you go. Crown is still a bit shiny, but other than that, bezel still works. I actually really like the color. That maybe I'll just leave it a couple of more hours to just get more of that color. So I'll just continue to put it inside and see what happens. So now, after several hours, we will see the result. And as you can see, the result, the blue is really nice. I really like the blue. Just matches the watch perfectly. That's such a nice bow. I think I'll just leave it now to dry. So thank you for watching, and I'll just give you now a couple of shots afterwards, wrist shots, so you can just enjoy how it looks like. So here's the watch after a little bit of cleaning up and polishing up, as you can see. Flip it over. You can see the discoloration here. So thank you for watching, and like, subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down. Have a great one.